Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I gave this super cute Labubu a rainbow makeover. Here's what you'll need to get started. Some gel nail polish in various colors, a UV lamp for curing, a colorful eyeshadow palette, a few makeup brushes, some alcohol wipes for cleanup, and a roll of painter's or masking tape. First things first, you'll want to carefully cover its face, hands, and feet with masking tape. This will protect those areas while we add the color. Once that's done, just dip a makeup brush or a powder puff into your favorite eyeshadow colors and start dabbing the color all over the fuzzy parts. When you're happy with the rainbow effect, you can go ahead and peel off all the masking tape. Now it's time to paint the teeth and nails. For this part, I actually found that a toothpick works way better than a tiny brush. It gives you a lot more control and helps you stay in the lines. But hey, if you do mess up, no worries. Just grab an alcohol wipe and clean it right up. You'll want to apply 2 coats of the gel polish. Make sure to cure it under the UV lamp after each coat. Once that's dry, apply a final top coat and cure it one last time to seal everything in. For the final step, just look it over and see if there are any spots you missed or that need a little touch-up. And that's it! You're all done! Look how gorgeous it turned out! I totally recommend giving this a try. I can't wait to see how yours turn out, so be sure to share them in the comments below.